A warm good morning to everyone present here. Today I stand before you to share few words on Indian Army Day. Indian Army Day is celebrated every year on the 15th of January. The Indian Army was first formed in the 18th century under the British government from the East India Company. After independence in 1949, on this day last British Commander-in-Chief was replaced by the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army, Field Marshal K. Cariappa. Hence the day is celebrated since then. The Indian Army is the land-based branch of the Indian Armed Forces. It is the world's second largest standing army. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Army. The primary objective of the Indian Army is to safeguard the nation's territorial integrity from the external aggression and threats and maintain peace and security within its borders. It conducts humanitarian rescue operations during natural calamities and can also be requisitioned by the government to assist in national emergencies. The Indian Army has been involved in 4 wars with neighboring Pakistan and 1 with China. Parades are held in the capital at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate. Medals for gallantry are awarded on this day. There are various medals presented by the President of India. The medals awarded for the valor shown on the battlefield are Param Veer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra. And the medals awarded for the bravery and courage shown away from the battlefield are Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. There are also gallant combat displays and display of defense machinery during the parades. The Indian Army is among the finest in the world. The enemies of India tremble at their thought. The Indian Army makes us feel proud to be an Indian. Their sacrifices are unparalleled. To celebrate and honor every soldier, Indian Army Day is celebrated. To pay tribute to the selfless soldiers, Indian Army Day is celebrated. The Indian Army always reminds us of the strong, disciplined, courageous and brave men and women who risk their lives at every hour for the love of their country. Jawans are martyred in a day-to-day combat to protect us. Indian Army Day is just a small way of saying thank you to the soldiers who carry out every problematic task with a smile. Let's celebrate the day with all enthusiasm to honor every soldier of Indian Army, to pay tribute to the selfless heroes of Indian Army, to give respect to the fearless hearts who sacrificed their lives to protect us. Let's take a pledge today that whenever we will see armed forces passing by, we will salute them to acknowledge the sacrifice of all the unsung heroes of Indian Army out there. I end my speech here by saluting to the fearless hearts of Indian Army. Jai Hind and thank you. If you liked my video, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Also like and comment.